closest to A vector and B vector and C vector is given. Write the result in the form of capital A is equal to capital Q capital into capital R. Okay. Here next step what we have to do means the three columns observe here A vector and B vector and C vector. We have to write it in one matrix form. Okay. A is equal to 2 2 1 1 3 1 1 2 2. Then again write down A vector and B vector and C vector and the formula. Here formula is first one W1 is equal to A. Okay, about W1 is nothing but A vector. A is equal to 2 2 1. Okay, then W2 take down. W2 formula is B minus B dot W1 divided by W1 dot W1 into W1. Okay, then we need to find here B dot W1 and W1 dot W1. Okay, B dot B is 1 3 1. W1 is 2 2 1. Okay, do it multiplication here. 1 into 2 plus 3 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Simplify, you will get it 9 here. Simplify, you will get it 9. Then W1 dot W1. 2 2 1. 2 2 1. Okay, 2 into 2 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Okay, 9. Then write the W2. W2 is equal to B value is 1 3 1. B matrix 1 3 1 minus B dot W1 is 9. W dot W1 is also 9. Just now we found no substitute here 9 by 9 and W1 vector write down here 2 2 1. Here 9 9 gets cancelled. 1 3 1 minus 2 2 1. Simplify. Subtract 1 minus 2, 3 minus 2, 1 minus 1. Means W2 is minus 1, 1 and 0. Then step 3. W3 is equal to C minus C dot W1 divided by W1 dot W1 into W1 minus C dot W2 divided by W2 dot W2 into W2. Okay. Here first we need to find the C dot W1. C is 1 2 2. W1 is 2 2 1 and simplify 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2 plus 2 into 1. Then you get it here 8. W1 dot W. Okay, W1 is 2 2 1. Okay, W1 is here, this is W1 2 2 1 and 2 2 1. Simplify 2 into 2 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1 is equal to 9. Then C dot W2 find out here. 1 2 1. C W2 is minus 1 1 0. Okay. 1 into minus 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 2 into 0. Okay, you will get it here 1 only. Then W2 dot W2 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 1 0. Okay, multiply here minus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0. Simplify, you get it 2 here. Okay. Next we need to find W3. W3 is equal to C minus C dot W1 divided by W1 dot W1 into W1 minus C dot W2. Okay, W2 dot W2. Okay, into W2. Then C value substitute here. C is 1 2 2 minus C dot W1 values. C dot W1 is 8. W1 dot W1 is here 9. Okay, W1 is W1 here 2 to 1 minus C dot W2, C dot, sorry, C dot W2 is 1, okay, 1, then W dot W2 is 2, okay, here W2 is, what is the W2 here? Minus 1, 1, 0, minus 1, 1, 0. Okay, then simplify what you are getting here. 1 minus 16 by 9 plus 1 by 2. Okay, 8 by 9 into 2 is 16 by 9. Minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 is plus 1 by 2. 2 minus, okay, here 8 by 9 into 2 is 16 by 9. The next term minus 1 by 2 into 1 is minus 1 by 2. Okay, 2 minus 8 by 9, next to minus 0. Then simplify here, minus 5 by 18, minus 5 by 18, then 10 by 9. Okay, minus 5 by 18, minus 5 by 18, 10 by 9. Okay, W3 also we found. The next what we have to find is we need to find the AQR. We need to find A is equal to QR. Okay, A is equal to QR means we need to find the W1 dash, W2 dash, W23 dash. That is a orthonormal basis set. What is the use of why you are in Gram-Schmidt process method? We are going to find the orthonormal basis. Orthonormal basis. Okay. Gram-Schmidt process are used to find the orthonormal basis set. Okay. Then step 4. Step 4. To find orthonormal. To find orthonormal vector of W1 is equal to 2 to 1, W2 is equal to minus 1, 1, 0, and also W3 is equal to minus 5 by 18, minus 5 by 18, then 10 by 9, then 10 by 9. Okay. Okay, here W1 is equal to 2 to 1 means W1 dash, okay, the given W1 dash is equal to W1 divided by length of W1, okay, W1 divided by length of W1. Okay, here write down W1 as it is only. How to find the length of W1? Very simple, square root of, okay, here 2 square plus 2 square plus 1 square. 2 square plus 2 square plus 1. Okay, means what will get here? Square root of 9. 2 to the 4 plus 9, no, square root of 9. Then W1 means 1 by 3. W1 is here 2 to 1. Okay, answer is here 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 1 by 3. Okay, this is the required answer, 2 by 3, 2 by 3 and 1 by 3. Similarly, we need to find the W2 dash. We need to find the W2 dash. W2 dash is equal to W2 divided by length of W2. Okay, here W2 square root of W2 is here, in this problem W2 is minus 1, 1, 0, means minus 1 whole square plus 1 square plus 0. Okay, what we get here? 1 by square root of 2 into W1. W1 is W2. W2 is minus 1, 1 and 0. So right here minus 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 and 0. Minus 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 and 0. Okay, similarly write down W3 dash. W3 dash. W3 is divided by normal length of W3, okay, is equal to W3 whole divided by, okay, here W3 is nothing but 5 by minus 5 by 18, minus 5 by 18 and 10 by 9, okay. So here what will get? 5 by 18 whole square plus 5 by 18 whole square plus 10 by 18 whole square. Okay. Then simplify W3. What we get here? 25 by 25, 18 into 18, how much? Tell me, anybody, 18 into 18, 18 square, how much? It's a 324. Okay? Means 25 divided by 324 plus 25 divided by 324. Then last one is 10 by 9, no? 10 by 9 plus 10 square means 100, 100 divided by 81, 100 divided by 81. Then simplify what we are getting here. W3 square root of 25 plus 25. 81 into 3, how much? 1 into 3 here. 81 into 3 is, okay, 240. We have 50 by 324, okay, plus 100, okay, then 81 into 4, 81 into 4 is 324, okay. Here 81, take the LCM here, W3 divided by square root of 50 plus, okay, here 100 divided by 81 into 324, 18 ones are, 18 fours are 324. Here write down here 4 into 100, 4 into 100 divided by 81, divided by 81. Means square root of is equal to W3 divided by 100 into 4 is 400, 400 and 450. 450 divided by 324. 324. Then square 45 we are writing 25 into 2, correct? 25 to, okay, 25 into 4, 25 into 5, 450, how will write 450, 351, we are writing up here, W3, this year down, we are writing 18, this is 18, okay. Okay, 15, 225. 225 into 2. What we are getting? 450. Okay. 225. Square root of 225 into 4. 2. Okay. 225 into 2 divided by 324. We are writing 225 is nothing but 15. 225 is nothing but 15. Okay, then square root of 2. Okay. I am audible? Dipti? Smaran? Akshita? Chandan? Understood our concept? One 10 marks question in this topic. One question is compulsory. Okay. 450 we are writing 225 into 2. 225 is nothing but 15. Okay. Then square root of 2 whole divided by 18. Then again simplify. W3. 5 ones are 3 ones are 3 5s are 3 6 are 18. Okay. 3 square root of 2. 3 square root of 2 divided by 6. Okay, we are going to find the W3 dash. W3 dash. W3 divided by 3 square root of 2 by 15. Then next 6 by 3 root 2. Then W3 is here minus 5 by 18. Next again minus 5 by 18. Then again 10 by 9. 10 by 9. Okay. Then minus 1 by 3 square root of 2. Minus 1 by 3 square root of 2. Simplify. Then 4 by 3 square root of 2. Okay, otherwise simplify, you will get it minus 1 by 3 okay, here 3 5s are 5 square root of 2 means 5 square root of 2. Then what will happen here? Take the inside minus 5 by 18 into 6 by 5 by root 2. Okay. Then again minus 5 by 18 into 6 by 5 into square root of 2. Then 10 by 9 into 6 by 5 square root of 2. Okay, here 5 gets cancelled. Then 6 1s are 6 3s are means what we'll get here minus minus 1 by 3 square root of 2. Then 5 gets cancelled here. 6 1s are 6 3s are. Again minus 1 by 3 square root of 2. 5 1s are 5 2s are then 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. 2 into 2 4 by 3 square root of 2. 4 by 3 square root of 2. Okay. Then write the orthonormal basis set. Therefore, orthonormal basis set means Q is equal to W1 dash, W2 dash and W3 dash. Okay, substitute here. Q is equal to 2 by 3, then 2 by 3, 1 by 3. W1 dash, write it in column wise. W2 dash, write it in second column. Minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, 0. The next minus 1 by 3 root 2 minus 1 by 3 root 2, then 4 by 3 root 2. This is Q. Okay, we need to find the AQ. A is equal to QR. Okay, the next step 5. Step 5, to find R. To find R, okay, means R is equal to Q transpose into A. How to find the R? R is equal to Q transpose into A. Okay, means transpose means row we can be written in column wise. Otherwise, column we can be written in row wise. Okay, then 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 1 by 3. Then second column we are writing row wise, minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, 0. Third column, minus 1 by 2, 2, minus 1 by 3 root 2, then 4 by 3 root 2. Okay, into A is here 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, then 1, 1, 2, then 1, 1, 2. Then simplify. Then simplify what we are getting here. Okay, here simplify 2 into 3 by 2 plus 2 by 3 into 1. Okay, 1 by 3 into 1. Then what will get here? 2 2s are 4, 4 by 3. 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Okay, yes, 6 by 3. Okay, this is 4 by 3. Four, 2, 6 and 7 by 3. Two 2s are 4. Okay, simplify, you get it here 3, 8 by 3, 1, square root of 2, 1 by square root of 2, 0, 0, 5 divided by root 3, 2. Multiply. Okay, then okay, correct. 2 by 3 into 2 plus 2 by 3 into 2, first row and first column. Okay, this is 2. Then 1 by 3 into 1, what will get here? 4 by 3, again here 4 by 3, here 1 means 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 1, 9 means here 3. Okay. Then similarly here also, next one is 2 by 3 into 1 plus 2 by 3 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 1. Next is 2 by 3 into 1 plus 2 by 3 into 2 plus 1 by 3 into 2. Then simplify what you are getting here, 2 by 3 plus 6 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Okay, again here also 3. Again this is 3 because observe here 2 plus 6, 8, 8 plus 9 is 9 by 3. Okay, here 3, here also 3. Then similarly simplify here 2 by 3 into 1 means 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3. We are getting here 8 by 3, correct. 8 by 3 is also correct. Then similarly second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column, we are getting 1 square root of 2, 1 by square root of 2 and 0, and then third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column. We are getting 0, 0, 5, 5, 3, root 2, 5, 3, root 2. Okay, any doubt? Okay, any doubt? Then next, we can present a matrix in the form A is equal to QR. Okay, A is here, Q is what? 2 by 3 minus 1 by square root of 2 minus 1 by 3 square root of 2, 2 by 3, 1 by square root of 2 minus 1 by 3 square root of 2. Okay, here 1 by 3, 0, 4 by 3 square root of 2. And R is here 2, 3, 8 by 3, 1 square root of 2, 1 by square root of 2, 0, 0, 5, 3 square root of 2. This is the required answer. Okay.